Everything we've developed for our cars, the batteries, power electronics, the advanced motors, gearboxes, the software, the AI inference computer, it all actually applies to a humanoid robot. Really the kind of thing where you could tell it to do kind of...
Elon Musk has once again captured global attention, this time with a bold and unexpected revelation. Tesla's humanoid robot, Optimus, is advancing at a staggering pace and is now being primed for an unprecedented mission. But this isn't just about a robotic assistant managing simple factory tasks. Optimus is evolving into something far more significant, a machine with the potential to redefine the human experience, both on Earth and beyond. The latest leaked information suggests that Optimus is now capable of full autonomy in extreme environments, utilizing cutting-edge AI to navigate situations it hasn't been explicitly programmed for. With self-repair mechanisms, next-generation energy technology, and advanced navigation algorithms, Optimus is beginning to resemble not just a machine, but an independent entity capable of performing highly complex tasks. But the biggest question remains, why now? What is driving these groundbreaking upgrades, and just how monumental is the mission that Tesla is preparing for? As the details slowly emerge, it's becoming evident that we are on the brink of a revolutionary shift that could challenge everything we thought we knew about robotics and artificial intelligence. A giant leap toward the future. In a recent post on X, formerly Twitter, Elon Musk hinted at something extraordinary. Starship departs for Mars at the end of next year, carrying Optimus. If those landings go well, human landings may start as soon as 2029, although 2031 is more likely. While Musk's ambitious timelines are often met with skepticism, there's no denying the significance of his statement. If Optimus can successfully operate on Mars, it could pave the way for a human presence on the red planet, like never before. But before we even get to interplanetary robotics, what does Optimus mean for life here on Earth? Tesla. No longer just an EV company. At this point, it would be a mistake to still label Tesla as just an electric vehicle manufacturer. The company has evolved into a leader in AI, robotics, and energy solutions. If Tesla's EVs are about making transportation cleaner, then its AI-powered robotics aim to redefine efficiency and productivity across multiple industries. But AI, for all its brilliance, has always been confined to software, until now. Take ChatGPT, for example. It can generate text, answer questions, and even create images, but it cannot physically interact with the world. That's where Optimus steps in. A humanoid robot bridges the gap between software intelligence and real-world execution. While AI can tell you how to cook a dish, Optimus could one day be the one cooking it for you. And that possibility, however far-fetched it may seem today, is rapidly approaching reality. Imagine a world where humanoid robots seamlessly integrate into daily life. Picture them working in stores, hospitals, factories, and even our homes, performing tasks that were once the exclusive domain of human labor. The introduction of such robots raises profound questions. Will they replace human workers entirely, or will they serve as collaborative partners, enhancing efficiency while allowing humans to focus on more creative and strategic endeavors? How will labor markets react when these robots become widely available? Will humanoid robots, once a science fiction fantasy, become household staples like smartphones? The answers may depend largely on the speed at which Optimus is adopted and the public's perception of robotic integration into human society. Skepticism surrounded the initial announcement of Optimus in 2022, with many dismissing it as another one of Musk's wild ideas. Yet, here we are, just a few years later, watching Optimus evolve into something far beyond what many expected. A self-learning robot, the ultimate game changer. Unlike traditional industrial robots, which are programmed for specific tasks. Optimus is designed to learn. This is a critical difference. Tesla has built Optimus on the same AI foundation as its self-driving cars. With cameras, sensors, and an artificial neural network, Optimus doesn't just see the world. It interprets it in a way that mirrors human perception. Unlike a basic programmed robot, Optimus can analyze its surroundings, recognize patterns, and adapt accordingly. Tesla's approach to eye training also mirrors human learning. Just as a child learns by watching and mimicking, Optimus is being trained to observe and replicate tasks. This means Tesla isn't programming individual actions. It's letting the robot learn through exposure, making it infinitely more adaptable than conventional robots. Tesla's production scale, a new industrial revolution? Elon Musk has made a mind-boggling claim. Tesla could produce 500,000 to 1 million Optimus units per year by 2027. This isn't just speculation. The company is already ramping up production. By 2026, an estimated 50,000 to 100,000 Optimus robots could roll off the production line, marking Tesla's aggressive entry into the humanoid robotics industry. What's even more shocking? Musk claims that Optimus could eventually cost as little as $10,000 per unit, a price point unheard of in the robotics industry. How is Tesla able to achieve such cost efficiency? The secret lies in its ability to transfer technology from EV production to robotics. Batteries, motors, sensors, and AI computing, all originally developed for Tesla's cars, are now being repurposed for Optimus. This strategy allows Tesla to leapfrog competitors like Boston Dynamics, which has spent decades perfecting humanoid robots at a fraction of Tesla's speed. Even Boston Dynamics CEO has admitted, Tesla is shining a spotlight on the importance of this technology, which we've been arguing for 30 years. The implication is clear. Tesla is doing in mere years what others have struggled to accomplish for decades.
The Tesla team are making great progress in 1 year building a couple of machines, from scratch. That's remarkable. They're shining a spotlight on the importance of this technology, which we've been arguing for 30 years. So I think that only helps us.
The global robotics race. Who will dominate? Tesla isn't the only company in the humanoid robotics race. In China, automotive giants like BYD and Huawei are rapidly advancing their own robotics initiatives. Meanwhile, Mercedes-Benz has openly stated that within 5 years, humanoid robots could fully automate German car manufacturing plants to stay competitive with China's rapid automation. The race is on. Will Tesla dominate the robotics industry the way it has with EVs? Or will we see a robotics arms race between the US, China, and Europe? The future. Optimus in every home. Could humanoid robots become as common as smartphones? It sounds wild, but history tells us that technological revolutions often start with skepticism before becoming everyday necessities. Think about how mobile phones went from luxury items to universal tools in just 2 decades. If Tesla can mass-produce Optimus at an affordable price, a future where every household owns one may not be that far off. The transition won't be without its challenges. Ethical debates around AI, job displacement, and regulatory concerns will play crucial roles in shaping how humanoid robots integrate into society. But one thing is certain. Tesla is leading the charge into a future where machines don't just assist us. They work alongside us. Are we ready for Optimus? Whether Elon Musk's timeline for Mars is realistic or not, the real revolution is already happening here on Earth. With production scaling up, costs dropping, and AI capabilities advancing, the world is standing on the brink of a robotics transformation unlike anything seen before. So the final question is, are we ready? One thing's for sure, whether we like it or not, the age of humanoid robots is coming, and Tesla's Optimus may just be the one to lead the way. Thanks for joining us today. See you in the next video.